Quick question for you. If you had to replace your streaming device today, would you just grab another lockdown stick? Or would you opt for something that gives you complete control? Drop a comment below and let me know. Are you sticking or switching? Because if you want to leave Fire TV behind, jumping directly to a standard Google TV device might not solve your problems either. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today I am breaking down 4 non-Google and non-certified alternatives to the Firestick. We will look at the exact trade-offs of each one and see which one is actually worth your cash. Lately, I have noticed more comments from viewers who are completely tired of ecosystem limits. The recent interface updates on Fire TV have annoyed a lot of people. Amazon blocking certain side-loaded applications has made users anxious. Plus, Google has updates coming up that could make sideloading much harder on standard Android and Google TV hardware. So, for the power users out there, the big question is no longer just what to replace a Fire Stick with. It is about what you can actually buy to gain full control over your media setup. To be totally fair, I am not saying everyone needs to throw away their Fire Stick. Plenty of people still use them every single day without any trouble. That includes people running custom setups and side-loaded apps. But if you are getting tired of the direction these massive ecosystems are heading, you might want something less restricted. Independent, non-certified options are where things get highly interesting. Yes, there are definitely trade-offs to consider. You might lose full 4K playback on a few official premium streaming apps. You will also rely more on the specific manufacturer for system updates and long-term support. But in exchange, you get far more flexibility, fewer restrictions, and an experience you control. If that sounds like what you need, here are 4 choices to keep on your radar. The first option is the Formula Z 1.2 Ultra. This is a premium pick if you want a clean and mature set-top box. It runs on Android but utilizes a custom user interface from Formula. It feels like a traditional high-quality TV experience right out of the box. You get powerful hardware, an excellent remote stable performance, and regular firmware updates. It is highly popular for its My TV Online app. That app is a major reason people choose Formula for organized live TV and massive media libraries. The main trade-off here is the lack of official certification. You are trusting the brand for long-term support instead of relying on Google. But if you want a polished box backed by a dedicated ecosystem, this is a top-tier upgrade. The second alternative is a Buzz TV device. This is a very common path for former Fire Stick owners. What makes Buzz TV stand out is purely the software design. These media boxes are built entirely around their proprietary Buzz TV app. It is crafted specifically for a television-first user experience. It handles live TV, on-demand content, and recording features incredibly well. Navigating the menus is smooth, and changing channels feels much faster than standard Android boxes. This is especially true when loading massive playlists and heavy libraries. You can completely customize the home layout. The remote control also features great tactile buttons meant for couch use. I have used a Buzz TV X5 model for quite a while now. For daily use in the living room, it performs brilliantly. The trade-off again comes down to certification. Most Buzz TV units are non-certified. This means you give up high-end digital rights management quality for premium apps. In return, you get an elite custom interface and total user freedom. The third choice is the Ugoos A M 6B+. This one is meant strictly for those who demand absolute authority over their hardware. It is one of the rare Android boxes built truly for people who love to tinker. You get incredibly robust hardware and deep local media support. It offers system-level access that Amazon or Google would never permit. It is an absolute powerhouse for managing local files through Plex, Jellyfin, or advanced Kodi builds. It is also a favorite for retro gaming emulation and custom launcher setups. Keep in mind that it is non-certified. If official plug-and-play streaming apps are your main focus, be careful here. This is not the device to buy for someone who just wants to launch Netflix or Prime Video. It requires some manual configuration, but if you want endless settings and adjustments, this is definitely one to consider. The fourth alternative is to skip dedicated TV operating systems completely. You can use a mini PC instead. This could be an affordable Intel N100 mini PC, or you could choose a highly capable small device from brands like Beelink or Geekcom. You simply connect it to your television using an HDMI port. Your TV instantly transforms into a massive monitor for an actual computer. This is the most reliable long-term path if you want ultimate flexibility. You can stream from official websites right inside a desktop browser. You can run full desktop applications, manage external hard drives easily, and use a VPN seamlessly. If you still want your favorite Android apps that you use to sideload, you can run an Android emulator. That gives you a simple way to use those apps without being tied to Amazon or Google. The downsides to a mini PC setup are quite straightforward. It will cost you more money up front. You will also need a wireless keyboard, a mouse, or an air remote for your coffee table. But for unmatched versatility over the years, it is incredibly tough to beat. Let us do a quick summary of your choices. If your current streaming stick does everything you need, you do not need to replace it just yet. Whether you use official apps or custom setups do not change just because others are talking about it. But if you are truly fed up with the direction of the major ecosystems, these choices are worth looking into. For a premium television-like upgrade, consider Formula or Buzz TV. If you love to customize and want deep system access, check out the Ugoos A M 6B+. If you want the absolute most flexible option, a mini PC puts you in complete command. Now, I want to hear your game plan for your home setup. Are you staying with Fire TV, upgrading to a dedicated independent box, or switching to a PC? Please leave a comment right down below with your choice. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to TechVibes so you never miss our upcoming tech updates. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.